Hello subscribers, and today in this video I am going to reveal the secret of my fertilizer, which I use natural fertilizer in my self-watering container. You can see there are some oranges in this orange tree, almost 5 of them. And what do I use generally as a fertilizer is homemade fertilizer through the fruit peels. This is a mango peel. You can see I used mango peel and kept it in this bottle for almost 2 months. I kept this peel on March 2019 and I've used it, and now it's only half remaining in the bottle. So what I do with this, and then I also have baking soda. So I will take, what you need to do is you need to take a one medium sized bucket with full of water, and now what you need to do is you just have to add up this liquid fertilizer, and trust me, the smell of this fertilizer is awesome. It smells like a ripened mango, and that's the indication of the fact that this fertilizer is ready. If you get some smell in your fertilizer, it means it's not good for use. Now this is absolutely amazing, smells like sweet mango. And I need to add, now this is half, the water is half, so I'll add almost 200 ml into my bucket, and then I'll add almost 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now this baking soda helps the plant to fruit properly. Now that's enough, and also keeps away certain pesticides, pests from the soil. So now it's ready. I'll just mix it properly, and once this mixing is done, I'll share it with my plants. So thank you for watching, and it's so simple, so easy, all natural, and now it goes on to my plants. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share with all your garden lovers.